Everyone, Dr. Robinson here with another tech trick. So when I first get my computers, the first thing I do is index my machine. What does indexing mean? Hitting my start window and typing in index, and indexing options open. And let me hit enter on this. Now, when you first open it, if you either hear your screen reader say, or you visually see at the top of your window 35,000 or 15,000, you are not indexed. And this is how you find out for sure. You do have a list view of quite a few items, including your databases and your external drives if you have those in Start Window, and Windows C. Windows C is our trick here. What I want you to do is do Alt-M for modify when you open this. Now, I'm a down arrow, and most of these will be checked on your machine, but for whatever reason, Windows C drive I've actually never seen it checked. And so what that means is when you hit that search window or you're in your File Explorer and you do an Alt-D and tab your search and you type in something, it will either take quite a while to find it or just not find it at all. So it's a time thing or just not an ability to do it. So what you want to do is hit your spacebar and check that box and then hit enter. If you're visual, you will immediately see the number increase fairly rapidly depending on how fast your processor is. Or if you're using a screen reader, you will hear it increase constantly. If you have external drives, I highly suggest you indexing them also. Visually, you can actually see I have a H drive. It has several terabytes of information on it. And I have that indexed also, so it will populate just as fast. Before, when I plugged it in and I had not indexed that yet, it would take forever to find things in H, even though I had already indexed C. So anything that you want to find quickly, such as hitting your start key and typing in Word, you immediately notice I can just hit my first letter, second or third, it doesn't matter, and Word immediately populates. I can close it, I can hit E, and Excel immediately populates. That is how you know your computer is indexed. It is working incredibly rapidly when you're doing a search of any kind, anywhere. Yes, index your computer. It will make it run faster and more efficiently.